Hello, this video shows you how to use Genasys Protect and how to find your evacuation zone. Evacuation zones are a useful tool that can help keep you safe and informed during an emergency. First, you will want to open your web browser and go to protect.genasys.com. This will take you to the main page. On the home page, you'll see a search bar. Simply type in your home address or the address of your workplace to find your evacuation zone. Please make sure to include the full address for the most accurate results. Once you have entered your address, you will be taken to your evacuation zone on the map. Here you can see we've typed in the address for the zone YCU 2186. And over on the left-hand side of the page, you will find information about that zone, like if it is under an evacuation status. You will find the boundaries of the zone and what the weather is like. If we go back and zoom out, you will see all the different zones in Yavapai County. You can also find fire information. Let's take a look at zone YCU 2384, which has a fire icon on it. Click on the icon and you will find fire information about the skeleton fire in Yavapai County. You can also take a look at the other zones by zooming out and looking at the map. When you click on the zone and look at the information on the left-hand side of the page, you will see links to the Yavapai County Office of Emergency website, as well as how to sign up for the opt-in emergency alerts through Yavapai County Sheriff's Office. Those alerts are through Alert Yavapai. By using the Genasys Protect platform, you can quickly and easily find vital information on how to keep you and your family safe during an emergency. Thank you for watching, and remember to stay prepared. For more information, please visit our website at www.yavapaiready.gov or follow us on social media at YCOEM.